So now getting to a new week. Last week was good. The overall momentum was good. We saw some good price movements in indices, NQ, ES, both touching ATH. Dow still it is yet to touch the ATH, but we can soon see it happening. Now let's see what we can expect in the next week. Let's start with DXY. As you can clearly see, DXY has tapped a good demand zone right over here, and it has already swept all these lows. Okay, so now what I'm expecting is price will simply move on the upside at least till this range. At least till this range, I'm expecting the price to move. Uh, there are two reasons for this. One is technical, which I have just shown you guys. The second one is that the Iran-US conflict has started again. Iran has closed the Strait of Hormuz again. USA is planning to launch some missiles there, so we can actually expect a good moment in DXY on Monday, starting from Monday. Now, let's say other things. Um, I'll prefer to wait on all the indices because he NQ and ES both are at ATH now. Okay, we can't expect much when the price touches ATH. So, but yes, definitely DXY has inverse relations with every index, every asset that the indices own. So let's just wait for the price to give us some confirmation. If it wants to come down, then all the price must be swept, and then the price can fall, and we can see a good reversal or a retracement on the H4. Now let's jump to DXY. Okay, so on the DXY, I have two possible zones here. This is zone one, and this is zone two. So what I'm expecting is that if price taps zone one and gives me a good confirmation like this, it comes down and sweeps, then brings like a good momentum on the upside. And if this entire range, or you can say if a break of structure happens, and if we see once we see this break of structure happened, if we see an FVG form right over here, and then I'll definitely fucking plan my buys from here. And the same goes to the zone. This is zone two. The only confirmation we need that price must sweep these lows, break that lower high, take a retest into an inefficiency, and then we are good to go up. Let's wait because this setup might take time from either this zone or this zone. Okay, let's move to Euro USD. I'm pretty sure that Euro USD will fall down, even if you see on the daily time frame. You can see that it is ready for a good retracement. It didn't take this high, but let's see. There is a possibility that it might just take this high then fall. But if we go on the H4 time frame, we can simply see that it has already taken these highs. Okay. So what I'm expecting now is that let the price retrace a bit till this zone, fill this impulsive candle and let it fall. This is my only expectation. This is my only anticipation on Euro USD. If this happens, then only I'll be thinking to enter a position. Otherwise, I won't even touch Euro USD because when DXY moves aggressively, so does Euro USD. Okay. The same thing goes on GU as well, GBPUSD. You can't see much happening on the daily time frame, but when you go on the S4, okay, you can see that okay, this structure has been taken and the price is now ready to take a retracement, right? I'm expecting the price will follow the same path as Euro USD, retraced here and then keep the continuation. Now let's see guys how this plays. see. Let's wait how this next week goes.